This is a steering mechanism. Basically the steering wheel goes on that end way down there, and then this connects to the arms that go out to the wheels. In here is a set of gears that transfer the energy from one direction to the other. To fill it up, there's actually marked oil, this bolt right here. So normally you take this off and try to get this super thick oil to go in there. But because we have it out of the car, we're going to take off this plate. We'll be able to more easily fill up the oil, and then we'll put this back on. Wow. So there's no gasket on it at all, which that's no good. And it's pretty much absolutely dry in there. So we're going to make a gasket for it, first of all. And we're going to fill it up with oil and put it back together. Down here on the bottom of the steering box, the stator tube comes through here with wires from the trafficnator. It sounds like I'm not speaking in English, but I swear I am. Anyway, a tube comes through here, and there's a compression fitting that will bolt up here, and that keeps the oil inside the box. The stator tube and the trafficnator and all that have been taken out, and that's probably why all the oil slowly leaked out over 30-40 years. So for now, I just have a little piece of rubber I stuck in there on the end just to keep it sealed, so the oil doesn't come oozing out. And then when I put the trafficnator and the stator tube back in, I'll take it out and do it upright.